Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of tech to uncover the top and coolest gadgets every man needs in his arsenal. From Amazon, cutting-edge tools to futuristic devices, get ready to upgrade your lifestyle. Let's dive right in. 9. The multi-tool pen. When you carry a multi-tool, a whole world of problem-solving and empowerment opens up. It's like keeping a flashlight in your pocket. If you don't carry one, you can't imagine ever using it, but once you have a flashlight in your pocket, use it 7 times a day. Over the past few years, we've tested more than 25 multi-tools in rural New Hampshire, fixing fences, slicing hay bale twine, even assisting in the birth of a lamb on a cold March morning. And the Leatherman Skeletal CX stood out as the best. It has a sleek, lightweight design and a minimal lineup of well-executed essentials. So this multi-tool is easier to use and carry because it's unburdened by an abundance of rarely used tools. In fact, the Skeletal CX pliers, knife, screwdrivers, and bottle opener were all we ever needed to deal with minor fixes and get on with our day. 8. The MagSnap wallet. You've seen other minimalist wallets that solve specific problems, but what if you could build the perfect wallet for yourself? Meet MagSnap Wallet, an ultra-minimal, ultra-thin, and ultra-versatile wallet. Each card module is precision machined from aluminum alloy, can hold up to 5 flat cards, and clocks in at only 5.5 millimeters thick. We're barely adding any additional thickness than if you were using a rubber band. Have subclass and shield your cards with some RFID protecting dignity. Check out the different modules below. Mix and match to create the perfect wallet for you. All models fit together using a strong magnetic connection and lock into place with the center slot. 7. JBL PartyBox 310. The JBL PartyBox 310 is a large battery-powered speaker with circular RGB lights. As the name implies, it's ready for your next party. It's positioned in the middle of JBL's line of party speakers, more powerful than the JBL PartyBox 100 but still lacking in volume compared to the PartyBox 710. It has a bass boost feature to add more thump and punch to its sound profile, and you can customize its sound to your liking using the graphic EQ in its companion app. It's also well-suited to musicians and buskers as it has a mic and guitar input alongside bass, treble, and echo controls for the mic. The JBL PartyBox 310 is very good for outdoor use. Although it's not very portable, it has wheels and a carrying handle, making it easier to take it on the go. It lasts over 17 hours on a single charge and gets very loud, although some compression artifacts are present at max volume. Also, when placed vertically and the flaps protecting its inputs are tightly sealed, it's rated IPX4 for water resistance, meaning it can withstand small water splashes. 6. Shield X. The Shield, the elastic security platform, dynamically scales to deliver comprehensive and consistent controls to protect data centers, cloud infrastructure, applications, and data no matter where they are or where they go to make the cloud more secure than on-premise deployments. Our frictionless approach leverages agentless technology as well as the Shield, a adaptive intention engine which autonomously translates and enforces intention into a set of comprehensive controls, microsegmentation, firewall, IPS, and more, making security the easiest thing you do in the cloud. Get the Shield X buyer's guide and find out what your peers are saying about Shields, Fortinet FortiGate, Cisco Secure Firewall, and more. Shield is the number 10 ranked solution in top microsegmentation software solutions, number 18 ranked solution in best cloud security companies, and number 47 ranked solution in best firewalls, accounting for 64% of users researching this solution on PeerSpot. 5. Braun Series 9 Pro Plus. Series 9 Pro Plus. As Braun's most advanced shaver to date, the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus 9599C is a considerable upgrade to older Series 9 and Series 9 Pro models. The shaver comes bundled with the Smart Care Center with cleaning solution, a mobile charging power case, a cleaning brush, and for the first time ever, a Pro Comfort head to prep the face before shaving. Even with all of the add-ons, the shaver itself is what makes the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus such a powerful grooming tool. The cutting head consists of 5 separate parts, 2 Optifoil shavers, a Pro Lift blade designed to lift hair, a direct blade designed to comb the hair in the same direction before cutting, and a skin guard. With 40,000 cutting motions per minute, auto-sensing technology, vibrative sonic technology, and the system provides a smooth and close shave, with minimal work prepping your face beforehand. 4. Screwdriver King. Enhance any DIY project with the Screwdriver King. This portable screwdriver kit looks fancy, but it's as rugged and as functional as they come. Never have the right screw bit for your DIY projects. Maybe your toolbox is just a mess of loose screws, bolts, and bits. Either way, it's time to get organized with one tool that has it all: the Screwdriver King. Portable screwdriver kit. Equipped with 27 screw bits, 1/4, 5/16, 9 spoke wrenches, a file tool, and more, this versatile EDC gadget keeps you ready for any DIY project, from tightening screws to opening boxes. Do you avoid DIY projects because you dread sifting through your toolbox for the right bits or wrenches? The Screwdriver King solves the issue by ensuring all your tools are visible and easy to access. 3. Sniper watches. If you are in the market for a high-end sports watch, you certainly have no shortage of options in terms of both design and price point. Easily the most exciting area of wristwatch design innovation is in the realm of sport watches, where materials, aesthetic designs, functionality, and inspirations are routinely played with and added to. If you are into bold macho timepieces, then prepare yourself, if you haven't already, for an often odd and always interesting world of the good, the bad, the weird, and the wonderful. Today, I'd like to look at 2 versions of the Sniper 1, the original model, which now comes in a slew of variants from this Swiss watch company, first debuted around 2010. The Sniper 1 watch was originally designed by Jean-Francois Rouchenet, a talented watch designer and all-around controversial figure in the watch industry. He is responsible for other popular watch designs such as the TG Heuer Monaco V4. 2. Cedar Spark. Cedar Spark is a new powerful multifunctional flashlight which features modular design, allowing you to use the unique lighting system as a flashlight, bike light, headlamp, or lantern depending on your needs. Quickly swap out and interchange the main lighting unit to a variety of different modules depending on your lighting requirements. Each module provides a rugged accessory and each uses a magnetic connection, is IP67 waterproof, and features adjustable focus and stepless dimming technology. Early bird pledges are now available for the creative project from roughly $99 or £87, depending on current exchange rates, offering a considerable discount of approximately 25% off the final retail price while the Kickstarter crowdfunding is underway. For outdoor enthusiasts, carrying a variety of lighting is troublesome. For instance, there's the flashlight, headlamp, bike light, lantern, and so forth. Cedar Spark will bring you to the rescue. Spark has a set of modular light holders that allows you to cope with nearly every situation with just one set of devices. 1. Work UR112 Aggregate. The latest creation to emerge from Urwork's Special Project Laboratory has jumping digital hours, running minutes and secret seconds in a streamlined case with a whiff of the mythical Bugatti Atlantic. When it comes to representing novel ways to indicate the time, few brands can beat the creativity, ingenuity, and technical wizardry of URWRK. Since 1997, master watchmaker Felix Baumgartner and artistic director Martin Fry have come up with contemporary adaptations of displays like wandering hours and retrograde minutes to represent the passing hours. Today, Urwork's Special Project Collection welcomes the new UR112 Aggregate, a compendium of complexity, technicality, and radical design. In a departure from the brand's signature wandering hours, the UR112 is equipped with double flying carousels with jumping triangular prisms to bring you the digital hours and minutes in a novel yet quintessential 3D Urwork format. And there you have it, the top 9 coolest gadgets every man needs in his life. You can buy from Amazon, whether you're a tech aficionado or just looking to upgrade your everyday carry. These gadgets are sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech savvy.